a three-wheeler starts from rest, accelerates uniformly with a 1 meter per second square on a straight road for 10 seconds and then moves with the uniform velocity. Plot the distance covered by the vehicle during the nth second versus n. What do you expect this plot to be during accelerated motion, a straight line or a parabola? So here in this example 3.23, one three-wheeler starts from rest, so we can say its initial velocity is 0. It is accelerated at 1 meter per second square, okay, for 10 seconds, and then after its velocity is constant, it moves with what? Uniform velocity. Okay, here we have to plot the graph of distance traveled in nth second versus n. So it is xn versus n. We know that distance traveled in nth second, equation of distance traveled in nth second, okay, is given by xn is equal to v naught plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, here you can see that initial velocity is 0 and acceleration is 1 meter per second square. So xn v naught is 0, acceleration is 1, so it becomes 1 by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, here let's plot the table of xn versus n. So we can easily plot the graph of xn versus n. Let it be n in second and xn, it is the distance is covered in respective intervals in meter. When n is equal to 1 second, we have to put n over here, so you can say 2 minus 1. Okay, n की जगह पे क्या रखना है? 1 रखना है. So 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. So here distance travel in first second is 0.5. Okay, let it be n is equal to 2. So here you can say 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. So it becomes 1.5. Okay, at n is equal to 3, you can say 6 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 6 minus 1 by 2 means 5 by 2, it is 2.5. Okay, then after at n equal to 4, you can say 8 minus 1, 7 by 2, so it becomes 3.5. Then after at n equal to 5, 9 minus 1 by 2, so it is 4.5. Same as at n equal to 6, we will get 5.5. At n equal to 7, by putting the value of n 7 over here, we will get 6.5. At 8 second, we will get distance covered 7.5 meter. At 9th second, distance covered is 8.5, and exactly in 10th second, okay, we can get distance covered in 10th number second is 9.5. After that, we know that it is accelerated for 10 seconds. After that, it moves with a constant velocity. So we can say velocity of three-wheeler over here at the end of 10 second, okay, is given by v equal to v naught plus at. Initial velocity 0 है, so 0 plus acceleration is 1 and t is 10. So velocity after 10 second is, we can say, 10 meter per second. Okay, so we can say up to n equal to 10 सेकेंड तक मोशन कैसा है? एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन है. ठीक है, तो अब देखो डिस्टेंस वर्सेस टाइम का जो ग्राफ है, ठीक है, कैसा बनेगा? स्ट्रेट लाइन बनेगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट आप देख सकते हो कि वेलोसिटी क्या है? कांस्टेंट है. ठीक है, 10 सेकेंड के बाद वेलोसिटी कैसी है? कांस्टेंट है. सो ग्राफ इज स्ट्रेट लाइन but it becomes parallel to time axis. Okay, so let's see the graph over here. इसका टेबल का एक ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो देखेंगे ग्राफ कैसा बनता है. सो हियर द ग्राफ ऑफ एक्सेंथ वर्सेस n is plotted over here. So you can see that the distance covered in first second is 0.5, in second is 1.5, in third second is 2.5, in fourth second is 3.5. So here graph of extent versus n for 0 to 10 becomes straight line, and after 10 second we know that graph moves with a uniform velocity what 10 meter per second. So after 10 second if we plot extent, then it becomes 10 meter per second. So in each second it covers a 10 meter. Okay, so here after 10 second graph of, you can say, extent versus n becomes a straight line which is parallel to what, time x.